Okay, so today we're going to quickly go over how to unpack a Trangia and set it up. So to begin with, you undo the strap, take off, this is a pan and a lid. Inside, you'll find these sections. You've got the bowl, that's part of the Trangia, your windshield, which you need to make sure you remove this strap from before you start using. Set up the windshield, you put it that way up. The pan you can set aside. Inside of your Trangia bowl, you've got the Trangia unit itself. This, which is a little gripper, so the way to use this is if you take your pan, you insert like that, close it, that is now safe for you to use and won't let any of the heat from the hot pan get into your hand. As you go further through the Trangia, you unfold these arms and these legs and out can come a bowl, so you can choose to either cook on a pan or on a bowl. To begin using your Trangia, you've got the windshield, which has got this hole which comes out the back. Now as you unpack your Trangia itself, which is the gas unit, I haven't got a gas bottle with me to demonstrate it working, however you can see roughly how it will be working. You have a cord which has got a screw thread on the end and a valve. You pass the valve through this hole here, you pull it through, at which then you take the heater itself and you push it into place on the Trangia and it will click and snap. What you then can do with this would then normally be attached to a gas bottle. You have a control on here which has a minus and a plus symbol. For more gas you'd unscrew this way, for less gas or to turn it off you unscrew the other way. Now if I was to be using my Trangia to cook something this evening, I would screw in my gas bottle, open up the gas, and I'd use a lighter or a match to get this going. Now once that had started flowing and the flame has begun, you can then put this is your windshield and heat shield, you put on, which has got 3 little grooves here, here and here, which line up with the same spots on the pan. You put it down on the heat shield, you twist, and then it locks into place and it's securely on. Now, depending on what I wanted to use, if I wanted to use my pan, I fold these legs up and out, and I can place my pan on the top, and that holds it very securely. Or equally, if I didn't want to use my pan, I fold these legs back down, and I can use this bowl, which can then sit in there very happily. The issue we've got now is that if I wanted to take out my pan, say I've been cooking for 5 or 10 minutes, this is going to be too hot for me to touch in my hand. Hence you get given in your Trangia a little handheld. What you do to use this, again, is you have it fully open, you go down, you collect it, and now you can safely lift this off or down. That's everything that's inside of a Trangia, and I hope that's been useful information and something that you can use in the future. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and go check out some of our other stuff.